The conscious control of physical and psychical energies is one of the most profound capacities attributed to human awareness. It sits at the intersection of physiology, psychology, and deeper philosophical inquiry into the nature of consciousness itself. Human beings are not merely passive recipients of internal impulses, but active regulators capable of directing both bodily functions and mental forces. To understand this fully, one must begin with the physical dimension governed largely by the autonomic nervous system. Traditionally, processes like heartbeat and hormonal balance are considered automatic and beyond conscious influence. However, through controlled breathing and meditation, individuals can exert measurable influence over these involuntary systems. Techniques emphasizing breath control can slow the heart rate, reduce stress hormones, and alter brainwave activity. This demonstrates that the boundary between voluntary and involuntary processes is more flexible than commonly assumed. Psychophysiology explores how mental states like stress and fear can weaken immune responses and disrupt bodily equilibrium. Conversely, calm, focused awareness can promote healing and resilience. The regulation of posture and movement illustrates how awareness can refine physical energy, increasing efficiency. Athletes and performers train to achieve states where action becomes both deliberate and effortless. Beyond the physical lies the psychical dimension, referring to thoughts, emotions, and what some call subtle mental energies. This domain is linked to neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to rewire itself based on repeated mental activity. By directing attention, individuals can reshape neural pathways, effectively altering habits, emotional responses, and perception. The conscious control of psychical energy begins with awareness. Most experience thoughts as automatic, reactive streams. Through sustained attention, one can observe thoughts without identification, creating a space between stimulus and response. This space is a luminous void where control emerges. By choosing which thoughts to reinforce, the individual begins to direct mental energy rather than being directed by it. Emotions are dynamic expressions of psychical energy. Their intensity can be influenced by conscious intervention. Techniques like reframing and visualization allow fear to be redirected into alertness and anger into action. Attention functions as the directing force. Wherever attention goes, mental energy flows. When attention is concentrated, energy becomes potent, evident, in flow states of heightened clarity and performance. Integration occurs when the body and mind operate in harmony, aligning breath, posture, and attention. From a broader perspective, this suggests that identity is not fixed, but can be shaped through deliberate practice. Skillful control arises not from force, but from understanding and cooperation with natural processes. It is the transition from being driven by impulses to becoming the architect of one's own internal experience.